so much? You don't want to be in Mama's video? Hi guys, it's Jazzy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I use my 2-in-1 steamer for only one part, for two things. I don't know. I'm going to show you guys how I use my steamer for my hair and my face. By the way, I have no makeup on. This is just lashes. You can never go wrong with lashes. Look, nothing, no concealer, no nothing. It's just my face. This video is actually beneficial because let's say one day you want to go outside, no makeup, just want to put on some lashes, but you can't because you got all these marks here and stuff, but you can prevent it with the steamer. It did justice to my hair. Look at my hair. Like, it does like a whole lot. Let's give it up for my face again. I have a special guest, two special guests in my video. They're special guests to me. And if you guys want to know me a lot and become my fans one day, they'll mean a lot to you guys too. I turned a 2-in-1 into a 1 for 2. Whew. I did it. I killed it. I said it. Ooh. While on mommy duty is not easy. My mamas know out there that it's hard. They will not, yeah, I'm talking about you. They will not let you do nothing. Nada. And then they have this face like, and you have nothing to do but, bless you, baby, to stop what you're doing, exactly, and just give them all attention. Yeah. Let's get started with the video. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I use my steamer, my best friend, my everything, for my hair and my face at the same time. Some people use the hood for this. Some people got this so they know what I'm talking about. But I'm not a fan of the hood. So I use this long thing right here. You guys seen it. Let me show you again. You can turn. I'm gonna use my favorite, recommended by the best person in the world, my sister-in-law. Thank you, by the way, Laura. My favorite mask in the whole wide world. I could not take myself serious, like looking like this. Like, y'all never seen it. Pair it on this plastic cup. Because nothing metal for this mask. And I'm using vinegar instead of water. The only reason I'm using this vinegar is because my baby father got it for me. If not, I would use the natural. I would usually have like a teaspoon that my sister-in-law gave me, but apparently somebody took it, so. Ooh. That's good enough. My face is so dry. I have nothing on it, like nothing. This is as plain as y'all gonna get. Like, usually I will put the same amount of teaspoon. Oh, yeah. This is great. Hold on. I will usually have like the teaspoon to like mix it and measure like the same amount and everything. But since I don't, I'm gonna wing it, and I'm just gonna take something plastic and mix it. It's like a little watery, not so watery. Actually, it came out good. I'm going to use my brush, but first, this is taking forever to turn on. Let's get this steam running. So I use this under, and today I use the Hair Carol's Milk and Butter mask. Just let the pores open. For 5 minutes. you guys want to know how I do my face routine, just leave it in the comments below and I'll do a video on that. I'm going to apply. Oh, it's super cold. I don't like this vinegar. So now I'm gonna put a little extra on my nose because I got a big nose and I have a lot of blackheads on it. So now that I'm done applying, you see it, all green. I'm gonna stay under here until it turns off. So my hair too. Let's not forget my hair. Yep, this is how I do it. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Who's as smart as me? La 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 la. Together, together, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near. So somebody wanted to join the party. You want some too, mommy? Yeah? You're too young though. Now this is my hair and skin after everything. Now meet the 2 special guests I was talking to you about. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.